In this video, I will be showing you how to make your YouTube channel visible in search. Let's get started. First, I open my browser and click on the search bar to type YouTube. I press enter, and then I click on the first link to open YouTube. Once the homepage loads, I go over to the top right corner and click on my profile icon. From the drop-down menu, I click on YouTube Studio. Now that I am on the channel dashboard, I move my cursor over to the left menu panel. I scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings pop-up window, I click on Channel from the left side. Under the Basic Info tab, I click on the Country of Residence drop-down menu. I scroll down through the list of countries, find Philippines, and click to select it. Next, I click into the keywords box right below the country selection. Adding relevant channel keywords helps YouTube index your channel so viewers can easily find you in search. I type how to and press enter. Then I type step by step and press enter. Next, I type tutorial and press enter. Finally, I type guide and press enter to add my last keyword tag. After entering my keywords, I click on the save button at the bottom right of the window. A notification pops up at the bottom confirming that my settings have been saved. I click on settings again to quickly check my preferences, and then I click close. After closing settings, I go back to the left sidebar menu and click on customization. This takes me to the channel customization page. I scroll down to review my profile details, including my channel name, handle, and description. I click inside the description text field to ensure my channel details are clear and rich with search-friendly terms. Finally, I move my cursor up to the top right corner and click on the Publish button to save and apply all the changes to my channel. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.